Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Universe. The Chevrolet Chevelle SS is back for 2025, and it's making waves in the automotive world. This isn't just a revival of a classic nameplate, it's a statement. A modern muscle car that pays tribute to its heritage while embracing cutting-edge performance and technology. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the original Chevelle, or someone looking for a high-performance ride with a retro edge, this car is built to impress. Today, we're taking a deep dive into everything that makes the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS a must-see machine. Under the hood, this beast is packing serious power. Chevrolet is offering multiple engine options, but the standout is the monstrous 6.2-liter Supercharged V8, delivering a staggering 650 horsepower. This power plant is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for the purists, or a 10-speed automatic for those who want precision shifts at lightning speed. With a 0 to 60 time hovering around the 3-second mark, the Chevelle SS is built to take on the best of modern muscle, while still delivering that old-school raw power feel. It's not just about straight-line speed though. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the suspension to ensure this car grips the road, giving drivers confidence through tight corners and high-speed maneuvers. From the outside, the 2025 Chevelle SS is an unmistakable blend of retro and modern design cues. The long, sculpted hood, aggressive front grille, and wide body stance give it a presence that commands attention. LED headlights and taillights bring a futuristic touch, while optional racing stripes and classic badging pay homage to the original Chevelle's legacy. One of the coolest aspects of the design is the optional shaker hood, giving the car an even more aggressive look while helping with airflow to keep that engine cool. The fastback silhouette enhances aerodynamics, making it not just stylish but also functional. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that merges muscle car nostalgia with modern luxury. Premium leather bucket seats with contrast stitching provide a comfortable yet supportive ride, perfect for both track days and long highway cruises. The dashboard features a fully digital gauge cluster, customizable to display real-time performance metrics, navigation, and media controls. An intuitive touchscreen infotainment system comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. And for those who really want to feel connected to the drive, Chevrolet has incorporated a heads-up display, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road while staying informed. Chevrolet has also ensured that the 2025 Chevelle SS isn't just about brute force. It's also packed with the latest technology and safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking make this muscle car safer than ever before. And for those who like a little customization, various driving modes allow you to tweak suspension stiffness, throttle response, and steering feel to match your driving style. Whether you're looking for a smooth, comfortable ride for daily commuting or an all-out performance mode for the track, this car delivers. One of the most exciting things about the 2025 Chevelle SS is how it stands out in today's automotive landscape. At a time when electric vehicles and turbocharged 4-cylinders are dominating the market, Chevrolet is doubling down on the raw, visceral experience of a naturally aspirated V8. It's a love letter to car enthusiasts who crave the sound, power, and feel of a true American muscle car. The availability of multiple trims and performance packages means buyers can tailor the Chevelle SS to their preferences, whether they're after a classic cruiser or a track-ready monster. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS worth the hype? Absolutely. It brings together the best of both worlds, a legendary nameplate reborn with modern power, cutting-edge tech, and an unmistakable design. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast, a collector, or just someone who appreciates an adrenaline-pumping ride, this car delivers in every way. Chevrolet has truly revived an icon, and it's safe to say that the Chevelle SS is back and better than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in the automotive world.